On objective 2, now we're going to calculate a standardized test statistic for the population mean. So remember, when you're doing this, you have to use the t-test statistic and not the z. So when you do means, it's the t. All right, so again, it's the statistic minus the null value divided by the standard deviation. So for means, we're going to use this formula right here. So to find your t value, it's your x bar, your sample mean, minus your mu null, your null mu value, all over the sample standard deviation over the square root of n. Okay, again, this is a long fraction bar, and this is a small one. So this is the denominator. All of this is in the bottom. Okay, all right, so let's see what we can do here. All right, so it says, suppose that you want to perform a test at the alpha equals 0.10 significance level of null hypothesis mu equals 7, alternative hypothesis mu does not equal 7. A random sample of a random sample of size n equals 25 from the population of interest yields a sample mean of 7.045 and a sample standard deviation of 0.2. Calculate the standardized test statistic. So, because this is a means question, we're looking for our t-test statistic. It gives us all of our stuff. So here's n, here's x bar, here's sx, and then 7 is your mu null value. So to find t, I have to take my sample mean 7.045 minus the null value of 7 and divide that by your sample standard deviation of 0.2 all over the square root of your sample size 25. Okay, let's go ahead and do that in Desmos graphing calculator, and we're going to round that to 3 decimals. Okay, so let's go there now. Desmos graphing calculator. So it was fraction 7.045 minus 7 divided by fraction 0.2 all over the square root of 25. And there I go, 1.125. How nice is that? Very rarely does it end nicely like that, but this is just that one chance. So that's your, I'm going to come here. So that's your t-value of 1.125. Okay, so now objective 3 is going to show you how to calculate the p-value using table B. All right, very good.